Hey guys, just another zippo video, of course. Seeing how I'm gonna be a smoker, probably never will, I decided to learn a couple tricks. Now I'm 14 years old and I have school tomorrow, and it is 3:54 AM. So I'm kinda gonna get the fuck to bed, but I just wanna show this to you guys. Alright, the first one is a very simple trick. It's just called squeeze, apparently. You literally just squeeze the lighter. Oh, fuck, fail. And the lid comes off. Apparently it can weaken your, what do you call it, fucking hinge. So I wouldn't do it all the time. And the next one is just this cool way to close it. Which you just missed because I suck at this shit. Let's try that again. Basically, you flip it around, and it lands like that, and you just close it. So, yeah, basically. Fuck. There we go, I think that's really good enough. Right, I'm just gonna get the hell out of here, but yeah. Oh, and I'm also gonna be doing another unboxing because I just ordered a high gloss brass finish, which basically just looks like gold, which it's gonna be rather fun. So yeah, see you see you when that video comes out. I'll also be doing a Twilight effect one because everyone knows that, and I just don't have the fluid yet. Oh, and with the with this, when you get it to there, it's supposed to be like lit, and then you like close it. So yeah, alright. Catch you guys later.